Good evening, sir.
Very good evening.
So I want to discuss about technology. Basically, technology is important part of a human lifestyle,
Hmm.
and it is also playing a major role in letting people to meet their needs by providing places or sources for information, and the knowledge of what's happening around the world just by few clicks. In today's world, where we are currently facing a pandemic, it has become very difficult for people around the world to continue education. And also now, recently, as all the education institutions are closed, with the help of technology, we can comfortably reach the people around the world and communicate with them. It has played a major role in bridging the gap between students and teachers, basically. As the now technology is free to access for everyone, many people are coming forward and teaching the people and helping for needy. For example, if we take a social media, due to the social media, we can help the people who are in needy. For example, if a person wants some help, if the person is if he update or if he give anything on social media, we can get him through that social media. Like this technology is helping for us so much. um, this is more making productive for us in day to day life. Sir, remaining my friend Sneha will continue, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Very good evening.
So, as my friend told about technology, as there are both advantages and disadvantages, I agree with it. But I want to talk about disadvantages, sir. Due to this technology, the data is more used and family distancing. If, for example, if there are two people in a room, they don't talk to each other, sir. They are with their own devices. This is because of the technology, like from 2G, 3G, we've got to 4G, and they maybe even get 5G and 6G
Yeah.
also. But due
Advanced.
to this, the people are more comfortable while communicating with phones or messages than physical contact. So I accept there are some advantages which are useful for us, but there are also advantages, sir. I think it's the technology has become more. For example, many people, for example, in Google, we search a lot of things. We want to know about a lot of information, but if they search it, they won't. They are not interested in gaining knowledge about a particular topic. They just want information, but not knowledge. So here, my friend Bhavani would talk about advantages, sir.
Sir, actually, technology here is, with the help of technology, we can communicate people with each other. If the person is out of country, also we can contact with them due to this technology. And coming to this Google or any other like websites, we can easily search, or we can get any, if we have any doubt in this any subject or any problem, we can search in Google and we can get this. Like this technology has improved, and it is helping more efficiently for us in day to day life.
Yeah. Because of technology, today we are on virtual. Virtual
Yes, sir.
classes because of technology.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. This technology has improved many and many.
Without going to college, we are getting certificates. Yes. Continue.
Yes, sir. That's it, sir.
So I've even learned that due to this technology, the average attention span of humans has decreased from 12 seconds to 8 seconds, sir. So even due to this technology, people are getting lazy and they are getting even laziness and loneliness.
Yes.
And there are many disadvantages, sir. So, that's
It's
it.
true. It's true. It's true. Yeah. So
Sir,
anything
this
to
technology has increased many what This due to this technology, we can give something like online transactions or any
Flexibility.
money transactions. It is more easy for online orders, whatever it may be, but it is helpful for us. I agree with this advantages because of this
Yeah,
technology.
there are many advantages.
Yes.
Even Google Pay without going to bank, we
Without
can
Google
pay.
Pay, no.
Yeah, Paytm, and all these advantages, and very advanced also. Right. So, but whatever it is like Bhasmasura Hasta. You know that Bhasmasura Hasta, the hand of Bhasmasura. You know,
Yes, sir.
the technology is like Bhasmasura hand. Bhasmasura, the person, is a king of demon gods. Okay, right. He wanted to live forever, and he gets a gift of that here from Brahma, Lord Brahma. Whomever, actually, wherever he puts hand, it should be totally smash to become ash. Okay, so it becomes ash wherever he touches, like. So he goes on like, and Vishnumurti incarnation comes as Mohini to kill Bhasmasura, because he is not killed by anyone. He has that many, right, rewards. So then she comes in the form of Vishnumurti comes in the form of whom? Form of
Mohini.
Mohini. Then dances, and because she is very beautiful and attractive, as you know, demon, how the demon people really move around beautiful things, like. So moves on, and however that Mohini dances, and she takes her hand and keeps on her own head, like that only Bhasmasura also does. So he himself becomes ash. So the gift has become curse to him. So it's like technology is like that. If it is in advanced stage and used for many voracious things, people get many problems. Already eye problems are there, nerve problems are there, brain problems are there. So whatever it is, it should be used in limited way. That's good. Only for purpose. Only for purpose. Only for purpose only we spend much time. And purposeless more than that time. So that will be very effective. Thank you for talking on this. It's a discussion. It's becoming debate and presentation also. Thank you, both of you,
Thank you, sir.
Neha Reddy and Bhavani.